Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to get commando chick. Commando chick ain't very hard. It's right here in this area, question mark here. Located next to Brown Bear, next to the clover field. Like at the beginning you'll see here some vines. And you need scissors to cut them. Like the scissors from from the noob shop or from the chop shop over there. You can get scissors and access this area right here. And commando chick is really not that hard. People think it's hard because its level keeps increasing a lot. Like, here's a good thing about commando chick. After you capture it 50 times, you get a mythic egg. So you have to do a little bit of parkour, which I don't like. And then you access this demon. Be careful with the grenades. You see, mine is in level 11. Doesn't have much health. It's easy to beat. It really doesn't chase you. Like, see, not that hard. A little mini mondo chick. Your bees will do all the damage. You just watch. Watch him slowly kill it. Ow. That was mean. How much damage do the grenades do? Not much. Alright then. Give me good tokens. Decent. Leave me alone, leave me alone. See? The only hard part is that it moves a lot. That's about it. As long as you got like a vicious bee or something, this thing is not hard. Okay. Let's do this. Miss me. Yeah, if you're standing way too long in the same spot when he hatches, he will chase that same spot. He will chase that spot. If you stand still, he will attack. He will attack that area you are in. Or if you just keep moving, he'll just keep moving around. He really won't know how to attack you. So let's get. Let's see how many times I've actually captured this thing. See, I stood there way too long and it attacked me. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, stop damaging me. You already hit me twice. Ooh. Yeah, the more times you capture it, the higher the level it will be, and it'll get harder and harder. I think a level 50 commando chick, it's in level 14 or 15. Don't remember. I'm glad I moved from there, or else that would have hit me. No, you're not. It's gonna hit me in a sec. Yep. And it was gonna hit me. Let's see. No. Stop blocking it. Wait, how does it look like? Let me get close. I don't know. 2,000 damage to that egg. Break. How is that? How is that shell still not cracking? Bro, it's weird. Alright, never mind. Yeah, the longer it takes you to kill it, it'll keep throwing it. The more hand grenades it'll keep throwing. If it takes you like, so let's say it starts by throwing one grenade, then two grenades, then three. Start getting higher and higher. I think I got it one time to get it to 5 grenades. It was painful. I don't know if it was a glitch or the max is only 3 grenades because I got to up to 5 grenades once. Yeah, it's dead. Oh, not yet. Come on, come on. Give me some tokens. There we go. Give me good stuff. Now you're dead. There we go. Let's see what our rewards were. So, 9 pineapple, 9 farms, 3. Oh, not that bad rewards. Let's see how many times I've captured him. 33 times. Not bad. If you just want to go back to your hive, then you just loop. See? Not that bad. Never back. And it'll take time for our beast to get here. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Bye.